permanent regeneration and reuse of cleaning solutions. Do you wish to optimize the cleaning process for your stainless steel equipment, filtration membranes, washers and cleaning tunnels? As of now, your cleaning operations require large amounts of water, cleaning compounds and energy. This contributes heavily to the soil load rejected by the plant and to the sludge volume handled by a wastewater treatment plant. Connecting our Green CIP industrial solution to your present cleaning system will reduce all these costs. Green CIP recovers your spent cleaning solutions and treat them through a three-step process: coagulation, flocculation and settling. Green CIP regenerates alkaline solutions for their reuse. Moreover, it generates surfactants, improving their cleaning properties. Acid solutions can be regenerated likewise, thus bringing massive savings on your cleaning compounds and utilities. The reduction of the organic load induces a proportional reduction of the electric power used by the wastewater treatment plant while increasing its treatment capacity. The volume of land-spread sludges also decreases. The Green CIP process recovers over 90% of the treated solutions. Potentially, Green CIP allows a 50% reduction of the water and energy consumption, all while allowing substantial gains in cleaning time, improving the productivity with a significant impact on OPEX and CAPEX of the plant. Reducing the soil load at the source means up to 40% gain in operating costs of the wastewater treatment plant. Globally, Green CIP lowers tremendously main environmental factors like aquatic and terrestrial ecotoxicity as well as climate impact. Green CIP, an industrial solution by Elydes. Green CIP will also allow the use of more efficient cleaners like potash, with improved detergency, rinsability, productivity, environmental impact. Regenerated potash may also be substituted to costly cleaning compounds currently used in the cleaning of filtration membranes.